Let's watch this video together.
Make a cooking tutorial on how to make Indian poha. I'll click on generative media. I want it for 1 minute. This is for home cooks and it's an Instagram reel. Generate.
Today, you're making delicious poha. Add onions, cook until translucent. Sprinkle turmeric, mix well. Add soaked poha.
What you just saw was Invideo V3.0.
So this is the Invideo.ai. You can come and then just tap on sign up and register. It's going to bring you here. In this place, you're now going to put your email address, tap on create account, and then your account is going to be created. I have an account, so let me just log in. And this is how the dashboard is going to look like. And make sure you come to this place. You see this place at 3.0. Make sure that it's on 3.0 here to give you the best quality generating. So type your scripts, type whatever video you want to generate. That's just how simple it is. So I have this little script here that says create a 2-minute ad video for my website Cheaper Data. This is my website Cheaper Data, a platform where people can get subscriptions and pay utility bills. So make the video fun with humor and give the intro a great hook. What you're simply going to do is now to tap generate. So let's wait for it to generate. While it's generating, subscribe to the channel. And if you don't know me, my name is Victor and I make videos about making money online, affiliate marketing, how to use AI, and just money in general. If you're interested in that, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Let's wait for it as it generates. Now there's a lot of things you can do with this tool. Things like maybe you can think of either using it to create YouTube channel, using it to make videos for your own YouTube channel. So create a YouTube channel and make videos with it. You can meet, let's say, businesses and decide to pitch your services, that is making videos for them. First of all, what you're going to do is just to go to these businesses and then just make the videos for these businesses and take it to them, take it to their DM, or you can literally go and walk into their shop and tell them that this is what I do and I can do this for your business. You understand? So there's a lot of ways you can use this tool. Just think about creative ways you can use this tool for. Create videos for yourself, create videos on YouTube, on Instagram, on whatever platform, and then also meet businesses or individuals that might need it and tell them that this is what you can do and they should pay you for it. It's as simple as that. Okay, so this is where it's now going to take you next. What you're going to do is now come here and then just usual style, animation or realistic. So let's leave with animation. Let's see how it's going to turn out, but you can also use realistic depending on what you want, preference. So audience, general public, tech enthusiasts, online shopping. Let's just leave for general public. Yeah. Then platform YouTube. Yeah, let's say YouTube, right? But let me say YouTube Shorts. Now you come back up here. You can see here it says generative media or stock media. So you're going to tap stock media because generative media is for a paid plan. So if you're just starting up and you have not yet paid for, like, upgraded for a paid plan, just tap on stock media. So you now come down and then tap on continue and let's wait for it to generalize. Let's wait for it to down. So it actually takes some minutes to generate, so just be patient, wait for it. Guys, if you're getting value from the video, like the video so it's going to reach more people than help them. So it's done, and let me just play the video for you so you see how it's done. So let me just zoom in.
Have you ever wanted to pay your bills without losing your sanity? Well, have I got news for you. Meet Cheaper Data, the online platform that'll make paying your subscriptions and utility bills feel like a breeze. No more long queues or confusing payment processes. Just pure, unadulterated convenience right at your fingertips.
Now you see, the thing is it's kind of cool. It's just basic. It's just cool. So that's how it is. But there are so many things you can do to this video. So you can just come here and let's say you want to give it something like subtitle. You want to further edit it. So let's just say like let's say give it. So you can see give it subtitles. Well, you can see that's giving it subtitles.
Have you ever wanted to pay your bills without losing your sanity?
So
well, have I got news for you. Meet Cheaper Data, the online.
If you want to like edit, so just tap on edit. This edits here. Just tap on edit. You can see you literally have access to like edit the stock images that you want, that you don't want. So let's say this one. Let's say you don't want this stock image here. All you can do is to import media. So you just come here to this import media here and just tap on import media or upload media. So it's going to give you access to upload media by just tapping here. Yeah, this plus. So it's going to allow you to upload the media that you want to exchange that clip with. So I don't want to do that. So you can see most of these images here are stock images. Most of them are stock images and you might not want that. So all we can do is just to go back. Just go back. Now another thing is that you can change the scripts. You can also change because you have all the scripts here, so you can change it. There are certain things that you don't like here. You can just change it and it's going to appear here. So here you can now come to this music here. This is where you can now change music. You can add music and change music. This is literally the music that I was playing. So you can delete it. Delete and add. Let's delete this. So let's say you want to add music. You can just come down here to this upload here, tap on upload. So we're going to upload a music. You come here, you want to upload music, come here and then tap on upload. It's going to give you access to upload another your own preferred music. So you can just upload your preferred music. Let's say this tension rising, open. So it's going to upload. So it has uploaded. So you can come down here, you can see the tension rising here. So you can just tap on replace, and it has replaced. It's actually replacing. So let's just tap on apply and then save changes. Let's just give it time to like change the music. So we'll now try it. So I guess that's changed the music. So let's just try playing it now.
Have you ever wanted to pay your bills without losing your sanity? Well, have I got news for you? Meet Chipadata, the on.
Yeah, so that's the music. That is tension. That's one of my music. I love it. That's what you can do. You can just edit it the way you want it. So I've shown you how to change let's say footages that if you don't want it. So when you read it, when you want to create, let's say, advertisement videos, you can just make your work process very easy. That is just what you can use Invideo AI to do. So also now you see these settings. You can come to these settings and do some other few things here. So let's just see here most of all of this. So you can just come here and see this overlay. So you can add some overlay, some lighting, and just some transition, present, add some transition before like scenes, when scenes want to go to the next scenes and stuff. So you can add some transitions here. You can now do a lot of just editing, but I recommend you just leave all of this. So you can also change the character voice. That is, if you don't want a male, you can change it. Let's say you want a female, you can change it to a female. So that's just what you can do in the settings section. And yeah, so let's just go back to the media. Now another beautiful thing about InVideo is that you can come here and clone your own voice, but that will require a paid plan. Actually, it's going to require a paid plan. So this is not free. You can see here when you want to add your own voice, it requires a paid plan. So you just record your voice. You can record it with your phone and then just upload it there, and then it's going to generate. It's going to now master your voice and then create your own voice. So it's going to use your own voice instead of using all this AI voice for your videos. Now another very crazy thing is that you can change the language of your video. So what I did was I just changed it to voice, change the voice to French. So that's just literally type change the voice to French, and I just did that and just tap on generate, and then it automatically generated and then change the voice to French. So just look at it.
Raymond de vos abonnements et factures aussi simple qu'un jeu d'enfant. Fini les longues files d'attente ou les processus de paiement compliqués.
Yeah, so that is the thing. So you can imagine now creating videos and then creating with different languages that you can now post, or you can now also pitch to like different people around the world. So you see, in the video platform, the platform is a very good platform. The tool is a very good tool to utilize, and if you want to start up a business with it, you want to start up an agency that creates content for businesses, creates ads for businesses, you can now use this tool. Or if you want to just use the tool for your own personal content and stuff, you can also use the tool. So depending on what you want, that's how you do it. So if you're done, just tap on download here, and this video is going to automatically download for you. So you can just see here to watermark. If you don't want watermark and stuff, then you now have to upgrade. So when you tap on upgrade, it's going to take you to the plans that you're now going to see. So based on the plan, you can see the free plan. You don't really have a lot to experiment on, but at least you have few things. So you have 10 AI minutes per week. You have no generative credits. You have no voice clone. I told you cannot clone your own voice here. You have 4 exports per week. So you can see, you can now look at what do you want to do with the tool before you invest in it. Please, if you want to invest in a tool, look at what you're going to gain with the tool before you invest in it. You can try just using the free version and just see how you're going to how you're going to use it. You can also use the idea I told you. So pitch your services to businesses, pitch your services to, let's say, entrepreneurs, your services to just people that you think that maybe they are not like online. You can just tell them maybe they have money, so you can just tell them that, okay, this is how much I charge to create videos. I'm going to be creating a lot of videos for you, but this is how much I charge for it. So that is just how you're going to do it. And so if this tool is valuable for you, you can click under the description of this video, then you're going to get access to the tool. So that is it for the video. If you want me to make another video where I'm going to show you how you can use AI tools to make a lot of money, or maybe start up a business or boost your own business high with AI tools, you can just leave it in the comment section below. Just say, Victor, please, we need more videos that are going to show us how we can use these tools to make money, or strategies that we can use to maybe present these tools to key people that will need it and make money online. I'm going to make the videos, but just comment on the comment section, and depending on your comments, it's now what will make me to either make the video or not, because I need to know whether you want me to make the video or not. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with 5 friends. Bye for now.